Well, here we are, another beautiful day at the range. Today, we got the 4570 Siamese Mauser, and we are ready to have some fun. Let's see how this thing shoots. Well, hey everybody, we're back at the shop. Well, we managed to go through the entire box of 4570 that I have at the range, but of course, it doesn't go easy. First problem we had, I got this cheap Chinese red dot, and I thought it'd be great for this because we don't really need a scope on it right now, and of course battery was dead. So on the way to the range I stopped and picked up a battery, and my cheap little red dot, which has always worked, decided that it's now dead. So I shot all the shots with no point of aim or sights on it whatsoever. But that's not the worst thing in the world, because I was still able to put rounds on target. We were at 25 yards, and just for breaking in the rifle, I think it did a pretty good job, even though I have no idea how accurate it is, but it's a 4570. Probably not the most accurate thing in the world, so. And then, just to add some interesting things to my life, the camera recorded it in mirror image, so it may look like I'm shooting left-handed with a left-handed action, and I am not. It's a right-handed action. For some reason, the camera just filmed it backwards. So, let's get to it. So far, so good. Now that we got a few rounds through it, I loaded the magazine, managed to get 3 in the magazine and 1 in the chamber. Let's see how she cycles. That'll need some work. And now, just to finish off the nothing ever goes easy file for the day, with a full magazine, I was able to get actually 3 rounds into the magazine and 1 in the chamber, but it doesn't like to cycle from the magazine. And I think the really blunt nose of the 4570 bullet just doesn't like the feed ramp that's in the receiver. So it's going to take a little bit of massaging to make it cycle, but it chambers, it fires, it extracts, and you know what? For that, I'm happy. I've got holes in paper, and really, I'm not going to complain about that. even a less than perfect day at the range is still a day at the range. All right, guys, I will catch you on another video. Bye.